Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Guys, good morning! We are on our first stop over here in Besang Pass in Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. We are still a few hours away to our destination, and this is a very good Monday morning. Today is August 26, and we are here in the service of our country. Good morning, everybody! Good morning again, this is your host Sir Joven, and we are here at the monument of the Battle of Besang Pass. This monument is erected in honor of the 3,400 men killed and wounded who fought gallantly for freedom and peace. A little kilometers away will be the Tirad Pass. So this is in Besang Pass in Ilocos Sur. Guys, good afternoon. We are here at the Bontoc in Mountain Province, and this is an example of how beautiful the mountain is. Guys, good morning. Today is August 29. It's a Thursday morning here in Bontoc Mountain Province, and this will be the last day of our service for love of country. So, good morning, guys. Magandang hapon po. Ito po yung tinaguri ang bumaliktad na bahay dito sa Sagada. As you can see, baliktad yung kanyang bubong. Ayan. Friends, I am here at the inverted house in Pagana, other friends. As you can see, baliktad yung bubong and going up there. Now it's very interesting how they were able to build this inverted house. Guys, good afternoon. We are here at the Sagada Weaving Station, where this is established in 1968. This is a home of quality handwoven products here in Sagada Mountain Province. Dito po tinatahi, and then dito po sa banda rito, dito po natin makikita yung kanilang paghahabi or weaving ng kanilang products. See you around! Guys, good afternoon. I am now here at the weaving station of Sagada, and fortunately we were being allowed by the people here, the weavers that you call, to take some videos and photos of what they do to earn a living. So na ba yun? Participate dun sa technical background kasi po ang show yun eh. Guys, good morning. Today is Friday, August 30. We are here at the roasting room of the Montañosa Coffee Research Center together with my friends. And we are here. Right now we are having the roasted, freshly picked, is that freshly picked coffee beans being weighed. And this costs us 1,200 per kilo. Am I right, sir? And we have several. The famous coffee bean is Arabica that can only be grown here in the mountain province, especially in Bontoc. So today we are buying several kilos courtesy of our pangalan po, JP. So thank you very much, and hopefully everybody comes here in the Montañosa Coffee Center to buy your freshly grounded coffee. Thank you. Paano lang yan?